So here's a quick preview of what we will be building in this tutorial. We have a simple Hello World UI module where you can input your name and get a customized greeting message by pressing a button. This is super easy because we just have 5 steps from the start to the finish. We'll be starting by scaffolding a project directory, and in the second and third steps, we'll be doing a bit of vibe coding. And in the fourth step, we will be building the LGX file. And finally, in the fifth step, we will be installing it on Basecamp to test it out. We'll just be using 3 files for this project. The first one being the flake.nix file, which is used for build related stuff. You don't have to bother much about this. Metadata.json holds the module information, and finally main.qml is the entry point for your module. So let's get started with step 1, scaffolding the project. To do this, run the following command in your terminal, and you should have the QML-only templates set up with the following file structure. This command sets up all the 3 files that we discussed before. Now, over to the second step, modifying the metadata. Metadata.json holds the module information, including the name of the module, the type of the module, which in this case is UI underscore QML, because we are building a UI module, and view attributes to main.qml, which is the entry point for the application. Step 3, which is going to be modifying the main.qml file. Main.qml is going to hold the Qt code for the interface that we are building. As you can see in a column layout, we have a text field and a button which has a greeting message on the top. The property from the text field is binded to the greeting message, and all of this is implemented right inside the QML. Now that we have all the code done, let's proceed with the next step, which is to build the .lgx file. Nix is a
The
prerequisite.
first command builds all the requirements.
When you make shuttler distribution manual, the third command, go ahead, portable LGX command that can work on multiple portable LGX file, which is now generated. The generated LGX file has the module source along with the platform compatibility tags, meaning that the generated LGX file is portable. Final step. We are in the installation and testing phase. You can simply do this by going to the module page in Basecamp and importing the LGX file. As you can see here, the LGX file will be imported into your UI modules, after which you can simply navigate to the module from the sidebar. So with that, all of the steps are completed and we successfully built our first ever module on Logos Basecamp. Up next, we will be building a simple to-do module, which will include both a UI module and a core module, which adds functionalities. Until then, this is Guru signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.